Hey guys, hope you're all well, and this is my episode 14 of my chat app series. In a previous video, we saw adding members to your groups, right? So, in this video, let's see the rest of the options like removing members, viewing group info, or deleting group, and other options. Let's jump right into the video, guys, so that this video could be shorter as well. Anyway, let's move on. My last video was a bit long, I think around 35 minutes. I'm sorry about that. This video I promised to do it a bit shorter. Let's jump right into it. This one we completed right last time. So let's move on to this one, the group members page. Group members page right now it's blank, right? Group members, what we'll do is we'll have a list. Similar to group buddies, we'll have a list here as well. And then swiping a person on that list will remove that person. That's all. Very simple. Okay, we'll go ahead and write code for that. Ion view will enter, and we'll simply copy list code from there. This entire code is for a list, right? Where is it? And then here I'll simply give color equals my hair is a bit funny, probably should cut it this week. Anyway, I guess instead of my friends we'll have it as group members, and here as well we'll have member. Okay, here we'll have trash, ranger, and remove. Okay, that's it, guys. Let's go to group members.ts and populate this group members so that we can iterate through. Where is it? Did I change it? Yeah, group members. First we'll add a import for group service groups. Sorry. And inside this we'll add public group service group provider. Okay, and we will this enter this dot group members equals this dot group service dot current group. This will get all the group members which we can iterate through them, and then when the user slides to the left of, we'll write code for that search as well. We have a search here, right? So search once again we can simply, where is it, take from this thing. Search user function is here, right? Searching is done as well. Now what was that one more thing? Remove member, right? Remove member. Remove member, member name. I will simply have member. This dot group service dot delete member. Okay, we'll get into groups.ts in the provider, and then write a function for deleting a member as well. So this will be similar to, if you remember, this is how our Firebase data structure still remains, right? So what we need to do is we need to remove that guy from this members collection as well, this is not exactly a collection, this is a node inside a collection, a list inside a collection. Anyway, we need to remove this whole entry as well, right? So we'll write the code in such a way that both of these is done. I'll write it in an elaborate, well, I'll write it member member. Inside this, what I'll do is I'll first simply try to get this one, okay, this node, this dot fire group dot child, this dot fire group dot child firebase dot auth dot current user dot uid dot child, this dot current group name dot child members dot order by child uid dot equal to member dot uid dot once value okay. You get what I'm doing here, right? This uid dot child, this dot current group name dot child members dot order by value uid, order by child uid, and dot equal to the uid will be this one, right? You get my point, right? What I'm doing here. Order by child uid dot equal to member dot uid once value. This snapshot will be nothing but the this node, okay, this particular node. So I can simply do a snapshot dot ref dot remove dot then now I need to remove this entire thing as well, right? So not this entire thing, actually we need to remove only this node, because that person might be a part of other groups as well, right? We can't remove his uid altogether. So this dot fire group dot child member dot uid dot child, this dot current group name dot remove dot then we'll just get into the group, this dot get into group this dot current group name, okay. Now this will automatically trigger the got into group event. So we can simply wait, we can simply call that and get a updated list of the group members, right? That's what I'm trying to achieve here, by the way. Events public events and inside this dot events dot subscribe got into group comma function. We need to write a handler function as well. Inside the handler function, this dot group members equals this dot group service dot current group, okay. Where are we giving the value for this temp group members? We aren't giving the value for that anywhere, right? Okay, yeah, this is done as well. Now Ion view, this is done as well. So now we'll get a list, and if we swipe that list of all the group members, and we can searchable list of all the group members, and if we just swipe the entry in that list, there will be a remove button. We just tap on that remove button and the person will be removed from the group altogether, okay. This is a feature available only for owner of that group. let's see how this let's run the code so far what we have done and see if it works fine. Let me just go through the code once. Okay, let's see if this works. So far what we have written works fine. I'm getting into groups here, and this is the group that we created. I'm clicking on first group, remove member. This member is there, right? So far what we have written works. Does the search work as well? Yeah, the search works as well. So we'll slide this. First we'll show you how the Firebase looks. It looks like this. You get my point, right? Now when we delete, or wait, I have an idea. Okay, now if I click on remove, as soon as I click on remove, it should remove this node as well. If it removes this node, this members node will vanish, since it won't have any child nodes, and this, it should remove this as well, right? So if it removes this will vanish as well, because it won't have any child nodes. Let's see if that happens. I'm tapping on remove. Wow, both of them vanished, and only this remains, right? So you get what I'm doing here, right, guys? What I have done so far is I have removed a member completely from the group. This I think it will be, now if you go back into add member, you will find that you have just removed that person from the group. You have not removed him from your friend list, so he is automatically available. You can simply add him again, and automatically he'll get added again. Okay, I'll simply let us keep him added, so that when I try to write code for group info, we will have at least one member, right? Or I'll just show you once more. If I just slide it and click on remove, this entire thing will vanish, this entire thing will vanish, and here it will be removed as well, since that person is no longer a member of the group. Okay, so far what we have, this is how removing a member works. Next, let's see how to group info is pretty much simple. You just need to show a list of all the members, that's all. No, nothing interesting in that. We'll just finish it off as soon as possible and then wrap this video. Maybe we'll do that. First I'll close this and then stop my app. Since my laptop is a old one, it will get stuck obviously. And group info, we have a separate page for that, right? And what else? Are we passing anything to that? We're passing the group name, which won't be needed, I guess. First I'll do the HTML. Okay, I'll speed this part up. Okay, HTML is done. Now let's just populate the value for that HTML group members. Okay, and inside this Ionic did load will remove. You will enter this dot group service we need, right? This dot group, okay, this dot current, and what else? Yeah, that's it, right? Almost that's it. No, we haven't subscribed to anything, right? That's it, right? It's pretty much simple. Okay, let's see whatever we have written so far works. Okay, let's see whether whatever we have written works fine. I'll get into groups. First group, obviously we don't have members now, so we'll just add a member. Our only friend, we have just added him. And then if you get into group info, it should show as a list, right? Cannot read photo URL of undefined. Let's see what's the error. Oh, sorry guys, item. This is item, right? Now let's see if this works fine. Okay, now if I tap on group info, see, I get a list of all the members in the group, right? So this is what I was trying to show you guys in this video. Now in this video we have seen two stuff. One is deleting a member, and the other one is viewing group info. Group info is same for both. You know this very well already. From the member perspective, the group info there will be a slight modification, guys. Modification being the reason. I'll tell you the reason why first. The reason being the collection. This is under the owner UID, right? Owner UID. The group name has the members list, right? This will contain all the list of all the members. But here there are no members, right? So whenever a person, when a member tries to open his group, it will actually it will get a reference to this and then try to show whatever is in here, right? So literally he doesn't have a members list. So what you need to do is, you need to take this owner UID from here, traverse here, and then get into the group name and then get the members list from there. And that members list you need to store it and then show it, give it to, or shall I do it now itself? It won't take that much time. I'll do it now itself, guys. First I'll stop the application, and then this one, right? Group info page. If it is from a member sheet or if it's from an owner sheet, you need to check that, right? So what I'll do is get into group info, and I have a function for that. This dot group service dot get ownership dot then get ownership dot then. Why is this showing like this? Group service dot current group name dot then press if else if this person is not the owner, this dot group service dot no, we'll write a function for that first. Groups dot ts get get group members, this dot, not this dot, group name, this dot fire group dot child, firebase dot auth dot current user dot uid, this dot current user dot uid, not have dot child, this dot current group name, dot once, this snapshot will have owner, right? So where temp data equals snapshot dot val dot owner, this dot fire group dot child, firebase dot auth dot current user dot uid dot child, this dot current group name, not current user dot uid, temp data, dot child, members dot once, snapshot.val I'll store var temp var okay, now each and every member will be pushed into current group. Then what I need to do is, once again, if we put this in a separate group, then obviously I can simply, or I just need to publish another event from here. Too many events if I do. Yeah, I'll just simply publish. That will be much simpler, I guess. Okay, got members, and I'll get into group info.tsls. This dot group members, not group service dot get group members. Okay, this is done. This dot group service dot not group service events. Oh, video is becoming long. Okay, you get what I'm doing here, right? I presume you understood what I was doing. Okay, what I have done so far is very simple, guys. I have simply I have simply traversed to that particular node, got the owner from there, traversed to this particular node, got the owner from here, and then using that owner I am traveling to that guy's node and then getting the members list, traversing through that members list, pushing all those members inside current group, and then simply I am publishing an event. I am subscribing to that event, getting the value from current group. A very, very simple strategy, right? Let's see if this works. Okay, let's see whether whatever we have written so far works. We can see that only from a member's perspective. So we will log in into a member's account. Okay, now he's part of this group. Clicking on this group, clicking on group info. See, it's great, right? Now I hope you understood what I did here. Only the owner's node will have the members list, guys. So if a member logs in, he won't be accessing that owner's node, right? He will be accessing his node, and the message board in his node that will have all the messages. So when will he be accessing the owner's node? Only when he is trying to send a message in the group. When he is trying to send a message in the group, he needs to push that message to his message board, push that message to the owner's message board, push the message to all the message boards of the members, right, in that group. Then only everyone will get a copy of that message. So other than that, when will he be accessing this owner's group node, owner's node of that particular group? only when he taps on group info. When he taps on group info, he needs to get a list of all the members. So we are accessing that owners. You see where I'm leading with this, right? Where I'm going with this. This is exactly how we are going to write for sending a message as well. This is the path. This is how we are going. This is the technique we are going to follow for sending a message as well. So we are accessing that members and then showing that members as a list in this. Where is it? In this screen right here. Okay. So the other option, the leave group and the delete group option, we'll see in our next video. Already this video is becoming too long. It's now more than 30 minutes, I guess. As per the recording time. I'll edit it and try to bring it below 30 minutes. Anyway, once again, thanks to all my patrons for supporting me. If you would like to support me, if you would like to keep my forthcoming series, I have planned 2 more series as well, guys. One is a desktop application and another one is I'm actually some guys are telling me to, some guys are advising me to package this entire thing as a course and then sell it on some website so that you can make more money out of this, something like that. If I get more patrons, I won't do that. I'll simply upload them on YouTube and then give it to everyone for free, so that all the guys will have equal access to this content. So kindly consider supporting me on Patreon or using my donation link to donate me through PayPal. So yeah, guys, and for all those people who have been supporting me, a very big thanks. Kindly share this video with someone else and help them too. And my next episode will be out probably this week itself. I'll do this in about I'll do the next episode in about 2 days. I'll upload the next episode in about 2 days. And after my next episode, there will be just two more episodes, I guess. Just one more episode, I guess, for sending messages. So yeah, guys, that's it. I'll talk to you guys in my next episode. Bye.